everyone. Today I am going to discuss IUPAC nomenclature of ether compounds. In this video, I am going to show you some ether molecules and I am going to discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of those ether molecules. In these ether molecules, here you can see both sides of the oxygen have same alkyl group. Here it has a two methyl groups. Here you can see there are two ethyl groups and here it has two tertiary butyl group. So this kind of ether molecules is called symmetrical ether. Now here you can see in this type of ether molecules, this side it's a different alkyl groups and this side is a different alkyl group. So now here it's a ethyl and say isopropyl. Now in this molecule, this is methyl and this is ethyl. And here it's a tertiary butyl and one side it's a propyl. So this kind of ether molecule is called unsymmetrical ether. Now how to give the common name of ether? For symmetrical ether it's quite easy, like since it has a two methyl group, so we can write dimethyl ether. Here two ethyl groups, so we can write diethyl ether. Here two tertiary butyl groups, so we can write ditertiary butyl ether. Now for unsymmetrical ether, first we have to arrange the alkyl groups in alphabetical order. Then it will be followed by the word ether. So now here you can see it has a ethyl and it's a propyl, isopropyl group. So ethyl will come first. We are not considering the iso group, we are considering the propyl P. So that's why first ethyl will come and then the isopropyl. So it will be ethyl isopropyl ether. Now here it is a methyl and ethyl, so alphabetical order ethyl will come first, so ethyl, methyl, ether. And here it's a tertiary butyl and this side is propyl, so again we are considering the butyl, the B, so B will come first followed by the propyl P, so that's why it will tertiary butyl propyl ether. Two ether molecules has been taken and we have to find out what will be the IUPAC nomenclature of these ether molecules, and these two ether molecules you can see these are unsymmetrical ether. So the first we have to find out the shorter carbon chain, so that will consider as a substituent. So that means the alkoxy group with the shorter carbon chain is considered as a substituent. The longest carbon chain is a parent chain and the substituent is placed alphabetical order. Now here in this molecule, here you can see this side is methyl and this side is propyl. So that means this is the shortest alkyl and this is the longest carbon chain. So OCH3 will be considered as a substituent, that is the shortest carbon chain. Similarly in this molecule OCH3 it will be the shortest carbon chain, so it is a substituent, and this is the parent chain. So now here we have to put the numbering, so methoxy considered as a 1, so 1, 2, 3, so it will be 1 methoxy propane. Now here in the second molecule again the numbering will be from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So in one position it has a methoxy and 3 position there is one methyl. So then IUPAC nomenclature will be 1 methoxy 3 methyl butane. This is another ether molecule and here you can see this is the smallest one, so it will be considered as a alkoxy substituent and this will be considered as a parent chain. So remember, alkoxy group is treated as a substituent. They do not rank in the priority chart of functional groups. Like in this parent chain, if other functional groups are present, they will get the priority over the methoxy or ethoxy. Now here in this particular ether molecule, here you can see this is a methoxy group. It's a methyl and bromo is present. So according to the alphabetical order, we have to give the number 1 in this carbon. So it is like that, the numbering will be like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then the IUPAC nomenclature will be 1 bromo, 3 methyl, 5 methoxy, hexane. cyclohexane. Now let's solve few problems. This is one ethyl group. It will be considered as a substituent, and this is the parent chain. So numbering will be like that: 1, 2, 3. So IUPAC nomenclature will be 2-methoxy 2-methyl propane. Now coming to the second ether molecules. So this part will be considered as a substituent O-ethoxy, and this part will be considered as the parent chain. So here alkene moiety will be getting the priority over the ethoxy. So the numbering will start from the left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The IUPAC nomenclature will be 4-ethoxy 2-methyl hex 1-ene. Here ethoxy, according to the alphabetical order, ethoxy will be coming first, then the methyl. So it will be 4-ethoxy 2-methyl. Now coming to the third ether molecule. So again this part will be considered as a substituent, and this part is the parent chain, and OH will be getting the priority over the alkoxide. So numbering will start from the right hand side: 1, 2, 3, 4. So IUPAC nomenclature will be 3-isopropoxy 1-butanol. Now this is the fourth molecule. So here the numbering will start from the right hand side. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the IUPAC nomenclature will be 1-ethyl 3-phenoxy cyclohexane. Hope you understand the explanation. If you found that video is helpful for your study, so share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Chemistry Affinity. If you have any queries related to chemistry, you can send me a mail to this email ID chemistry.affinity@gmail.com. Thanks for watching it.